Welcome! This is a collaboration video with the YouTube channel Artsy Fartsy Lovers. Please check out her collaboration video, which is in conjunction with mine, in the description box below. This is also in honor of Earth Day, which is April 22nd, and this theme of this has to do with endangered animals. And what I'm using here is I'm working in my art journal on mixed media paper, and I'm putting down white gesso and black gesso because I want to create a gray mottled background. It doesn't have to be solid gray. It's okay if it's like gray, slightly mottled background with the colors not totally mixed. A little bit streaky is fine. And I'm rolling it on with a brayer. I prefer this actually. I like this better than a brush because the designs you can create by rolling the two colors together, I think is so cool. Now, the theme for our collaboration with Stacy at Artsy Fartsy Lovers YouTube channel is cat art, any kind of cat art. And so I decided to use to do a tiger. Okay, and now after it's dry, the background is dry, I'm going over with, I just want to make a soft background with several different pastel colors, and I'm using soft pastel chalk. So the theme of our collaboration is any kind of cat art, but for the Art and Soul Studio Facebook group, the theme is really endangered animals. So I'm kind of combining this video, kind of killing two birds with one stone. So doing this collaboration video, which has to do with cat art with Stacy, and also making this the Art and Soul Studio Facebook group weekly art prompt, which is endangered animals in honor of Earth Day, which is Monday, April 22nd. So the Siberian tiger is an endangered animal, and I encourage you to look up, research, see which animals are endangered, and maybe there's a favorite animal that you'd like to portray. And then later in this video, I'll show you how I create it. Now, this is going to be mixed media collage. So I'm using soft pastel chalks right now just to create a lightly colored pastel background that has a number of different pastel shades in it. I think it really works well on the gray background. I was almost going to buy gray gesso, but you can just easily create your own gray gesso. So I got this image from pixabay.com. And I cut off the background so that I create my own background here. I really love this image. Whether it's really realistic image that a woman's going to be sitting next to a tiger, I don't know about that, but it's a romanticized fantasy image, which I thought was nice for expressing the love for the endangered animal here, for the love of the tiger. I pretty much do love the whole cat family, and I've owned domestic cats my whole life. So I'll be using Mod Podge for the gluing. And I printed it out in black and white. So, I mean, it's kind of like black and white. The image kind of came like that already, and if it hadn't, I was going to print it in black and white anyway. Either that or maybe even sepia tone, printed it in sepia tone, but I didn't want it in full color. And that's a bowl scraper, and I like to use that. And then I like to put my wax paper over top and do my scraping to make sure I get out all the air bubbles after gluing. And now I printed these flowers out in black and white because I want to give it the colorized, I want to color them with the soft chalk pastels to give them the kind of like the colorized feel. I've seen it a lot in black and white photography where they colorize, where they just excuse me, where they add colors later on to a black and white photograph, and I think it looks so cool. I think it's used a lot in vintage style. So my composition is now glued down in place. And I'm ready to add the soft chalk pastels again, this time coloring the flowers. Afterwards, I do spray this whole picture with fixative. But I just want a soft effect for this whole picture. Again, because this is a collaboration with one other artist at her YouTube channel, please check out the link below for her YouTube channel. That's Stacy at, well, the name of her YouTube channel is Artsy Fartsy Lovers. So be sure to check out the link. So now I'm going to use a Sharpie marker and just outline that butterfly over on the left side to make it pop more. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. It helps out the channel a lot. So here are close-up images of the finished piece. I really like how it turned out. So thank you so much for watching, and please check out these other videos right here, and you might be interested in seeing other mixed media artwork I've done and other videos I've created. Thank you so much.